Hey adventurers, where can you go to explore Roman ruins, find geocaches, and drink bath water? Yeah, you heard me.
What do you think? In this episode, you are going to meet two messy monkeys in desperate need of a bath. No, we're going to bath. That's right, we're going to Bath, we're going to take you along, we're going to find some geocaches, we're going to Adventure Lab, but most importantly, we are going to tour you about Bath using geocaching as our tour guide. Well, we have arrived at the Roman bath spas in Bath, and we are about to check out the entire adventure here. Now, there's no geocaches or Adventure Lab specifically here, but I mean, this is just an amazing place to check out. Now, the cool thing is, we just walked up to get walk-in tickets instead of reserving ahead, had no issues, got in quite quickly, and then you pick up your audio tour and start following along.
When you first enter the Roman spas at Bath, you can walk the upper pathways overlooking the outdoor bathing pools, which at one time were covered by an enormous roof that has long since disappeared. This palisade is surrounded by statues of Roman emperors and governors and was the social and political center of the city of Bath around 70 AD. This is Geocaches, the waters of Sewell.
So here we are inside Bath, and behind us you can see the beautiful cathedral. And then looking down, we all walk about the bath themselves, and looking into these waters, we understand that they've been percolating through the hillsides for 10,000 years. 10,000 years ago fell as rain. Now they're coming out into the hot springs.
The temple was dedicated to Sewell, a Celtic god, and Minerva, the Roman goddess of healing. The museum surrounding the springs is filled with fascinating things to see and learn, but that's not the only attraction in Bath to enjoy. We'll take you back outside to see some more after we try a little taste of bath water.
What do you think? That is a good bath water.
Used to be warmer for bath water.
Yummy. As you can see, Bath is just a beautiful city, definitely worth exploring. There is an earth cache outside of the Roman baths to the back side of the building, so nothing really in the building. Adventure labs are quite spread out, but plenty of opportunity to find virtuals and earth caches, and there's a lot of multis. So while geocaching is our tour guide bringing us to Bath, definitely there's so much more to see here and do here. Plan a full day to enjoy it.